As the endless summer of roadwork rolls on, a lot of people in Stroudsburg have a lot of questions for Kristen Battle.
People come up to us all the time saying, am I going to lose my house? We can't give a definite answer because PennDOT doesn't know yet.
Right now, PennDOT is working on plans to overhaul Interstate 80 through Stroudsburg to ease congestion, meanwhile putting dozens of homes and businesses in its crosspath.
Our town is going to suffer.
That's why both Battle, along with her neighbor Franny Krasige, volunteered to join the I-80 Expansion Task Force, a committee formed by the Stroudsburg Borough Council to get some answers out of PennDOT and give residents and business owners a voice in the process.
We know that the interstate needs to be changed. We know that things need to be updated. The highway pavement is not good.
But they don't agree with PennDOT's plan to widen 80 by one lane in each direction, along with new on and off ramps and retention basins for stormwater runoff.
And all it's going to do is just bottleneck on both sides, and you can't expand the bridge at all going into New Jersey, so it's going to back up even further.
So just driving down Honeysuckle Lane here, one of the many neighborhoods that could be impacted by this project, a lot of the neighbors are confused, concerned, and uncertain.
I grew up in this house. I was born in this house, raised.
Cindy Lasinski and her husband Bob have spent most of their lives here on Honeysuckle Lane. Now there's a for sale sign in their front yard.
Eventually, they'll just take it, eminent domain. If they want it,
Well, they have to.
they take it.
The Lasinskis say the growing congestion in the area, combined with the potential of losing their home, made them put it on the market, and now they're planning on moving out of the area down to Tennessee for a quieter way of life. PennDOT has been working on this plan to overhaul this portion of I-80 for over 2 years now. The original plan called for 40 homes and 51 businesses to be acquired through eminent domain. Well, that didn't sit too well with too many residents, so PennDOT agreed to go back to the drawing board, leaving residents and business owners with a range of emotions in the meantime.
Afraid, scared, some are angry. We try to tone that down and let them listen to what we're trying to offer for a better solution. We don't want to fight PennDOT, that's not our plan.
A strategy that seems to be working for the town's task force.
The good news is that they are listening to us and some of our concerns for our community. They have backed off 90% of the water basins, which will save about 90% of the homes and businesses that they originally said they were going to take, which is great news for everybody, but we still don't want the 6 lanes of highway. We don't think that makes sense.
I spoke with a team of PennDOT officials over the phone. They say there will be more public meetings in the fall, and the earliest the work could possibly begin is in 2022. But in the meantime, uncertainty lingers for the dozens of homes and business owners that could be affected. In Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania, I'm Rob DiRienzo, PBS 39 News Tonight.